Sa kabuuan po, with all these four sa breakdown, excluding the sponsor's fee, which is 100 pesos per pair. So, magkano na nga ba yung magagastos natin sa pagpapakasal sa isang simbahang Katoliko ngayong 2025? So sa video ito, ibabahagi ko po sa inyo yung estimate at saka yung breakdown, posibleng breakdown ng posibleng magagastos base po sa nakuha kong impormasyon galing sa secretaries ng simbahan namin. So, sa pagkakaalam ko, iba-ibang lugar, most especially compared to a city, like an urban area to a rural area, there's like a difference as to the prices or as to the breakdown of the fees. Pero I hope you can still get an information from this video para naman malaman po natin ang ating budget. I really understand po and I can totally relate na sa panahon natin ngayon, we need to be practical and we also need to like get the details as to saan mapupunta yung funds natin, yung pera natin kasi we have like different or we have a lot of priorities. So first of all, before I discuss the fees, I would like to congratulate po both of you, the bride-to-be and groom-to-be. So congratulations. God bless both of you and I wish you the best, all the best for your marriage. So ito na po, last Sunday, nung nagpunta kami ng simbahan, I asked the secretary to give me a breakdown of the possible expenses sa wedding. The very reason as to why I'm doing this is I wanted to share the information with you para naman po makatulong ako sa inyo. So, ito na po siya. I'll just probably like add a picture of this in this video. So, but anyway, nakalagay dito, una is 2,500 po for the wedding council. So, I think this is like for the priest, it's 2,500. To do the ceremony. And then, second, yung decor, yung decoration ng church. So, this includes yung sa red carpet, yung sa flowers, and other like decoration sa church. It's 3,000 pesos. And they also have a fee for the choir. It's 350 pesos. And for the candle, it's also 300 pesos. Now, sa kabuuan po, with all these four, sa breakdown, it's 6,150 pesos, excluding the sponsor's fee, which is 100 pesos per pair. So, nakadepende po yan sa inyo kung ilang pairs of sponsors yung kukunin nyo, yung principal sponsors yung kukunin nyo, basta it's 100 pesos per pair. So, ulitin ko po, iba-ibang church, iba-ibang location, there's like a different like fee for that. So, ang ibinahagi ko lang po sa inyo is yung dito sa amin. Para naman po, you will have an idea and then you will come up with a particular budget for this. So once again, congratulations in advance and thank you very much for watching this video. You have a great day.